Today I'll show you how to use PancakeSwap, a decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain, to exchange BNB for another token. First, to make any purchases on PancakeSwap, you need Smart Chain BNB in your wallet. I'll start by transferring some Smart Chain BNB to my new wallet. I'll copy my wallet receiving address for Smart Chain BNB and send the funds. The transaction is complete and you can see that the Smart Chain BNB has been received in my wallet. Next, to purchase a token like PancakeSwap's Cake token, I'll access the dev browser within my wallet and go to the PancakeSwap exchange website at exchange.pancakeswap.finance. Once the page loads, connect your wallet. It's crucial to switch the network if it's not already set to Binance Smart Chain. By default, the dev browser might be on the Ethereum network, so click the Ethereum icon at the top right and switch to Binance Smart Chain. After switching, you should see your BNB balance on the site. Now I'm ready to make the swap. Ensure BNB is selected in the top field and choose the token you want to purchase, in this case cake, in the bottom field. I'll enter the amount of BNB I want to convert, say zero point 0.9 BNB, which shows an estimated return of about 19 cake. I'll click swap followed by confirm swap. A confirmation window will appear in my wallet to approve the transaction and the network fee. I'll click approve. The transaction is submitted and confirmed shortly after. I have successfully exchanged zero point 0.9 BNB for 19.3 cake. Returning to my wallet and refreshing the page, you'll notice my BNB balance has decreased and I now have cake tokens. If you wish to sell your cake back to BNB, the process is similar but reversed. Click the arrow icon in the middle of the swap page to switch the tokens. You'll need to approve the use of your cake token on the platform first, pay a small fee, and then you can swap it back to BNB. It's straightforward and you've now successfully traded on PancakeSwap.